Hello everyone, in this video we will going to see the definition of plane and different forms of the plane. First, we'll see the definition of plane. A geometrical locus is said to be a plane if a line joining any 2 points of the locus lies on the locus, that is, A and B are the 2 points on the locus, then the line joining these 2 points, that is line AB, completely lies on the same locus, then the locus is said to be plane. Every first degree equation in xyz, that is ax plus by plus cz plus d equals to 0, where a, b, c, d are real numbers and the coefficients a, b, c are not simultaneously 0. So this can be put in single condition, that is a square plus b square plus c square is not equals to 0. So this equation ax plus by plus cz plus d equals to 0 represent a plane. The converse of the statement is also true, that is, any plane can be represented in the form ax plus by plus cz plus d equals to 0 where a, b and c are not together 0. So next we see the different forms of the plane. So first one is general form. Ax plus by plus cz plus d equals to 0 is called the general form of the plane. Here also the coefficients a, b and c are not simultaneously 0. So next is the normal form. The normal form of the equation of plane is Lx plus my plus nz equals to p, where Lm and r distance of normal to the plane and p is the perpendicular distance of the plane from the origin. Next is the intercept form of the plane. So the equation x upon a plus y upon b plus z upon c equals to 1 represents the equation of plane intercept form. Here small a, b and c represent the intercepts made by the plane with the coordinate axis x, y, z respectively. So these are some examples of plane. X plus 2y equals to 0, x minus 2y plus 3z equals to 0. All these are represent plane. So remember here the constant term, that is d, is present, then plane is not passing through origin, and if d is absent then the plane is passing through origin. So suppose we have to given the equation of plane is in general form and we want to convert into normal form. For that we use these equations. So the normal form of the equation ax plus by plus cz plus d equals to 0 is, if d is negative, minus a upon square root of a square plus b square plus c square into x minus b upon square root of a square plus b square plus c square into y minus c upon square root of a square plus b square plus c square into z is equals to d upon the same square root. And if d is positive, then we use the equation a upon same square root into x plus b upon same square root into y plus z c upon same square root into z equals to minus d upon the same square root. So now we see some notes or important points. Ax plus by plus cz plus d equals to 0. This is the general equation of plane. In this equation, the coefficients of x, y, z, that is a, b, c, represents the DRS of normal to the plane. For example, 3x minus y plus 4z equals to 9 is the equation of plane, then 3 minus 1, 4 are the DRS of normal to the plane. Second point is, or second note is the distance. Obviously the perpendicular distance of the plane ax plus by plus cz plus d equals to 0 from the origin is plus minus d upon root of a square plus b square plus c square. If d is positive, take plus sign. If d is negative, take the minus sign, because we know that distance is always positive or instead of this one we can directly take the mod of this unit, that is mod of d upon root of a square plus b square plus c square. See one example. Equation of plane is 2x plus y minus 2z plus 4 equals to 0. So compare with general form. So we get here a is 2, b is 1, c is minus 2 and d equals to 4. So its distance from the origin is mod of d upon the square root. Put up the value. Solving this we will get the distance of the plane from the origin. So here we get the answer 4 upon 3 units. So this is the distance of the given plane from the origin. Okay, next we see some examples on intercept form. So suppose we have to given the equation of plane and we want to find its intercepts made by the plane with coordinate axis. So for that, see one example. So here x plus 2y plus 4z minus 4 equals to 0. So first we write this equation in intercept form. So for that we shift the constant term to the right hand side. So the equation becomes x plus 2y plus 4z equals to 4 and then divide by 4. So we get here x upon 4 plus y upon 2 plus z upon 1 equals to 1. So here the intercepts are 4, 2, 1. So next example. Suppose we have to given the intercepts and we want to find the equation of plane. So suppose the intercepts are given 2, 3, 6 made by the plane with coordinate axis. So here a is 2, b is 3 and c is 6. Put these values in the equation x upon a plus y upon b plus z upon c equals to 1. So we get the required equation of the plane. So now we see the equation of plane which is passing through the three non-collinear points. Suppose the points are xi, yi, zi. I is from 1 to 3. Then the required equation is the value of this determinant equals to 0. See one example on this problem. Find the equation of plane which passing through the three non-collinear points 2, 2, minus 1, 3, 4, 2, 7, 0, 6. So for that denote the first point as x1, y1, z1, second point x2, y2, z2, third point x3, y3, z3. Then write the equation of plane which passing through the non-collinear points as determinant of the matrix whose first row x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1, second row x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1, and third row is x3 minus x1, y3 minus y1, z3 minus z1 equals to 0. So put the value in this all the values in this equation. Solving this determinant or solving this equation, we will get the required equation of the plane. So this is another form. The equation of plane which passing through the 2 point xi, yi, zi, I is from 1 to 2 and perpendicular to one plane, say ax plus by plus cz plus d equals to 0. Then the required plane is determinant of this matrix equals to 0 whose first row is x minus x1, y minus y1, z minus z1. Second row is x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, z2 minus z1 and third row is ABC. So we will see one example on this type. So your example is find the equation of plane which is passing through two non-collinear points 2, 2, 1, 9, 3, 6 and perpendicular to one plane. So now first point is x1 is 2, y1 is 2, z1 is 1, x2 is 9, y2 is 3, z2 is 6 and the DRS of normal to the given plane is A is 2, B is 6 and C is 6. Now put all this value in this equation. Solving this determinant value is equals to 0. We will get the equation of the plane. Thank you. Goodbye.